How to fix invalid destination address on Realme Narzo 90X. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search message app from here. Click on message app and click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on backup and reset. Click on reset phone and click on reset network setting. After click on reset network setting, enter phone pin, sorry, and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address on Realme Narzo 90X. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.